Propecia, Lattimore. Here we go. Propecia, Lattimore. We'll put them up on that. We'll put them up with your other one. Propecia. Two parts. For chest part.
Nope.